Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. We are having some fun in the kitchen yet again. Today, can you guess what I'm going to be doing a video on? If you guessed dal, yes, that is correct. I am going to be using, of course, JGM product saffron powder and yellow split peas. Now, you know, there's the green split peas as well. I've never experimented with that, but maybe I could do that sometime. But I did hear that it does taste good though. We're sticking to the yellow today, and I have some chopped onions, garlic, shado penny, and some hot peppers, of course. In my pot here, I have water boiling. All I'm going to be doing is just combining all the ingredients, letting it boil until the split peas is nice and soft, and most of the water has been evaporated, and we're just going to mix it all up. Add some hot oil, or as they say in Trinidad, chunky the pot, and we have our dal. So let's get started, and let's put this dish together. Before we continue, guys, don't forget to hit that subscribe button to be sure that you get all my videos, and also hit that notification button as well to get notified every time I post a new video. Alright, so in goes my split peas. Then I'm adding all my onion, pepper, shado penny, garlic, and not forgetting our JGM product saffron powder that gives the dal, although it's yellow, it gives it the nice rich yellow color that you want to see when you're making dal. Salt, and of course JGM black pepper. We're going to let this boil for a while until the split peas are nice and soft and most of the water is gone. Alright, so we are back. I think it was like, it's about half an hour later, and I actually had to add just a little more water a little while ago, and just to check it, I would just usually take some and just press it against the pot. Crushes easily. So that's about it. I'm going to take it off the stove, and what I'm going to do is use one of those hand blenders, and we're going to blend it up. Alright, so this is my hand blender that I have, and I'm just going to blend everything up so that it can be one smooth consistency. Okay, so everything is all blended nicely. It's a nice thickness too. We just want to watch out for watery dal. You know, we don't really like to have watery dal, and we don't want too much of a thick dal. But again, with everything else food related, it's all up to your preference, your taste. So I think this is fine. If it is that you do find it is a bit watery, what you could do is just put it back on the stove for a little while again, and let more water evaporate from it. So next step is to, in Trinidad, chunky it. Now I have some oil that I'm putting in my frying pan. You have a smaller one, it's fine, you can use anything just to hold the oil. And I slice some garlic in it to give that roasted garlic flavor when you're chunking your dal. So I am just doing some garlic slices, making sure that the oil is going to get heated properly and the garlic slices turn dark brown. That's when we know our oil is ready to throw into our cooked split peas. So it's almost ready, just about ready, and what I'm going to be doing is just adding it to our dal that we have right here. Just be careful, it can burn. That's the sizzle that you want to hear. So you're just going to stir this around, and that roasted garlic flavor in your dal is just amazing. Alright guys, so that's about it for this video on our dal that we just did. Now if you'll follow me on Instagram, you all know by now my favorite food is smoked curry and tomato with dal and rice. So that's just exactly what I made today. I have some smoked curry and tomato that's also going to be on a video on my YouTube channel, and I have my rice boiling here, and of course we can't forget the sweet chicken that we're doing. So everything is up, almost finished, time to eat. Almost, it's pouring where I am right now, so it's perfect weather to just indulge in some dal and rice and some smoked herring and tomato. So thanks again so much, and be sure to subscribe to my channel, like and share all my videos with your friends, and look out for my next video soon.